Howdy, I'm Farmer Culchar. Now, your teacher, Miss Jacqueline, has asked me to educate you on a couple of questions that you had on soils and carnivorous plants. Well, I'm here to tell you that depending on where you are, the soil you have can be a mixture of up to 6 different types of soil. Those soil types are clay, sandy, silty, chalky, loamy, and peaty. Now, here in Muskoka, the soil that we have is a fairly thin layer of sand, and that's due to us being on top of a giant rock called the Great Canadian Shield. One of your questions was about whether or not you can eat soil. Now, soil doesn't have very much nutritional value, but you can eat it, and it might make you feel a little less hungry. Some specific soils even have health benefits, but it's not very recommended that you eat any random soil because it may contain harmful pollution or some dangerous bacteria. And while soil itself might not actually taste sweet, it's considered a sweet soil if the pH level is higher than 7. Venus flytraps. Now, well, I've only seen a few of them in real life. It's only been in houseplants. That's because it's too cold for them to grow here at Muskoka. Our zone climate here is about a zone 4, and they require a zone 8 or higher. And most of the ones I've seen have been very small and didn't live very long because they require a specific soil combination and a lot of care and attention. Now, the Venus flytraps themselves are actually native to the southern states on the East Coast, and they tend to grow in the subtropical wetlands. In their natural habitat, they can grow to 13 centimeters high, and their mouth leaves can get to about 3 centimeters wide. Now, while we don't have anything like flytraps that actually chomp on their food, we do have some carnivorous plants that grow here in Muskoka. Now, such as pitcher plants, which are like tubes that are filled with a type of fluid that when the bugs fall into them, they get trapped. And also sundews, which have like real sticky leaves and the bugs get stuck to them. In both cases, they get stuck, they can't escape, and then they slowly get digested. Well, I hope I was able to answer some of your questions, and if you have any more, hopefully I can answer them in the future as well. But I'm sure your teacher, Mrs. Jacqueline, has got it all under control. All right, well, thank you, and you have a good day. Keep learning about plants and soil. All right.